So for step one, the first thing you're going to want to do is take some newspaper, wad it up into a ball, and put it under the little grate here. You want lots of paper, not too stuffed because you want a lot of air movement because fire needs air to keep going. So we've got our newspaper there. And now what you're going to want to do is take some really small kindling. So the smaller the better. I'm going to start off with pieces about this size. So with the small pieces of kindling, I'm going to place them like this. And basically what I'm doing is creating a grid, sort of like when you make a house out of popsicle sticks. So you want to have space in between. Now I'm starting out with really small kindling because this paper, when we burn it, is going to be the only thing that ignites this. So you want to make sure it's nice and dry and nice and small so that it will catch easily. And then as you go along, I'm going to have just a slightly bigger piece of kindling, and I'm going to do a crisscross like this. So these pieces are getting a little bit bigger, but still quite small. And the more space and area you can create between each layer, the better. So you don't want to have things stacked on top of each other. You want to have nice to be able to see all the spaces in between. So I've got my little log house built in the fire, and you can see that there is plenty of space. See all the space between each layer? You get right in there, and you can see there's tons of space. So there's going to be lots of room for air to move around once I light this. So I'm going to use a match, and I'm going to light from the back. Lighting the back first. And then the front. Now that it's going, I'm going to add a bigger piece of wood. Just a little bit bigger. And that's how you build a fire.